I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone has an active internet connection and that you know your Google email and password. This saves time. Once done, unlock the phone and open Settings. Make sure you're in the General Accounts area labeled Passwords and Accounts or Mail, Contacts, Calendars on older iOS. Why here? Because iOS centrally manages accounts for email and apps. Tap Add Account to begin. This is the first actionable step towards signing into Google. Now you select Google from the list of providers and choose Sign in with Google so iOS uses the official flow. Enter your email, tap Next, then carefully type your password and tap Next again. If you use two-factor authentication, complete the verification. This verifies it's you and secures the account. Make sure to grant required permissions for Mail, Contacts, and Calendars if you want system integration. This lets apps sync and keeps things consistent across. Finish by choosing which items to sync, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and tap Save so iOS applies settings. Once saved, open the Mail or Gmail app to verify messages are downloading and contacts appear. This confirms successful sign in and sync. If something fails, try re-entering your password to rule out typos, update iOS to the latest version to avoid compatibility bugs, or remove and re-add the account. These steps resolve most common sign-in problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.